What is it? You want enough there, the bottle says.
Dylan says they're alright too. Right, I looked up the history of these things. Tudor, that was an old make for 1946. And original equipment in Austin Morris cars. And I remember my Morris Minor, my first car that I bought, had a Tudor washer bottle. Now in 1958 they were made out of glass, and it's 800 quid for a original Tudor washer bottle. Because I saw wee Ivan talking about one, he thought it would be cheaper to get a Ming vase. Anyway, the stuff's good quality, although it's made in China. But look at that casting. So that's window winders for the MGB. They also fit Mini, Allegro, Maxi, Princess I think. But that's Tudor, and they're using the original packaging again. And I thought this would be interesting. I've had good results with the alternator, the Dynamator, Tudor Dynamator. So if you're looking for period accessories or equipment, Tudor, although it's Chinese, it's a good product.
What is it? You want enough there, the bottle says.
Dylan says they're alright too.